Okay, so this guide shows you how you can download and install WhatsApp on your Windows-based PC. More details coming up. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things will help us make more great videos for you. So as I say, this guide shows you how you can download and install WhatsApp so you can send and receive messages from your PC. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, why wouldn't you want to do that? On a PC, you've got a bigger screen. You can use a keyboard. It's much easier, especially if you're going to be typing some good old long messages. And you can more or less do everything on the PC using WhatsApp as you can on your phone, with the exception that you can't make phone calls and you can't do video calls, but you can certainly do all the text stuff as well with it. So let's crack on and show you how you get it. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to do this in Windows 11. You can also do it in Windows 10 as well, and the process is exactly the same, but if you've got a Windows that's earlier than 10, then unfortunately I don't think you're going to be able to do this, I'm afraid. So you do also need to have WhatsApp on your phone already, your smartphone. You can't do this if you haven't got WhatsApp on your phone, unfortunately. So make sure that you've got your smartphone handy with WhatsApp already installed and set up on it. And then what you need to do is you need to go to the Start button. Now on Windows 11, that's that blue button just there. If you're using Windows 10, then it will be the black or the white button that looks exactly the same on the left-hand side of the screen. That's the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Click on that. The Start menu will appear. And although there's nowhere for you to type, you just need to put in there Store. So to just type Store, as I've just done there, and after a few seconds, under Best Match, Microsoft Store should appear. Move your mouse over that, then left click once. Then the Microsoft Store should load. This might take a little while. Sometimes it can be a little bit slow, so just be patient with it. But there you go, once it's loaded, you'll see it there. And if, like me, you've got it on the screen there, WhatsApp under top free apps, you can click on that. But if you haven't got it, then go up to Search Apps, Games, Movies and More, just at the top of the screen there. Left click once and then just type WhatsApp. All one word and all in lowercase. That's WHATSAPP. Again, all in lowercase and all one word. And then once you've typed that in, it should come down here. You should see this green and white WhatsApp, not the WhatsApp beta. That's a test version and might cause you some problems. So just move your mouse over that where it's got WhatsApp app, and you've got the green and white phone there. Left click once. Okay, and then what you want to do is you would just want to make sure that it's WhatsApp, and underneath WhatsApp it's got WhatsApp Inc. in blue there, as mine has. There you go, just there. So as long as that matches, that is the official source of WhatsApp. So go down, move your mouse over the blue and white get, left click once, and then it should start downloading. Now it might take a little while, sometimes due to your internet connection, the speed of your computer, or due to the Microsoft Store being busy, it might take a while to download. So once it's downloaded, it will then start to install, as mine just did, and then it should say open. So once you see open, move your mouse over it, left click once, and then it will start to open. So okay, so it'll say welcome to WhatsApp, a simple, reliable and private way to use WhatsApp on your computer. The version number will probably be different on yours, but move your mouse over get started, left click once. And then we need to go to our phones. So we grab our phone here, okay, and then we just basically tap on the we go into WhatsApp first of all, and then we tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of WhatsApp. Mine is right to the left of, or right to the right, sorry, should I say, of the magnifying glass. So tap that, and if you see on there a menu item that appears that says linked devices, then tap linked devices. If you can't see devices or linked devices, then tap on settings, and hopefully you should see somewhere there something that either says devices or linked devices, or you might simply see a little QR code in the top right hand corner just to the right of your name. If you do see that, then tap on that, Okay, and then what you've got up on the screen there is you have a QR code, and my code will have a green line underneath it. Now what you want to do is you want to tap scan code, which is just to the right of my code, so it's along the top, near the top right, so tap the word scan code. So I've tapped that, the camera's come up, and we need to allow the WhatsApp access to the camera if it asks. If you don't do that, then it won't let you do this. So, and then point the camera at the QR code that's on your screen there, and it says device login code detected. If you want to log in to WhatsApp on another device, tap continue. You'll need to scan the QR code again to link this device. So tap continue on the phone and then tap link a device. That's a green and black link a device. So tap that. And because I'm on mobile data at the moment, it's warning me, it's saying connect to Wi-Fi to continue. Connecting to Wi-Fi will allow you to log in faster and will not use your cellular data. Now, if you've got enough data to use, then just tap use mobile data. If not, tap cancel, go into Wi-Fi and repeat these steps. So I'm just going to tap use mobile data. Okay, and it's asking me to unlock the phone to link the device, and I've got to point my camera on my phone back at the QR code again. I've pointed it, it's now said login, and there you go, it's now downloading recent messages. So now we can use WhatsApp as a text-based system just as we would do on our phone. All of our messages should be there, we can read them, we can start a new message if we want to, we can reply to them. We can virtually do anything. Like I say, the only thing you can't do is you can't make a voice or a video call, but I'm sure that's going to be coming in the future. So you might be thinking, once I've come out of WhatsApp, how do I find it again? Where's it gone? So all you do is click on the start button. Depending on what version of Windows you're using, it'll be either near the center of the screen or to the left. The start menu will appear, and just type WhatsApp. And as you type it, under best match, WhatsApp should appear. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, well, I don't want to do that every time. I want to put it somewhere. So what you can do is, with WhatsApp under best match, you can click on the right mouse button. That's the button on the right-hand side of the mouse, not the left. And then you can click on pin to taskbar. That's a left click. And as you'll notice at the bottom of the screen, the little WhatsApp symbol appears down there. If you want to put it on the start menu, that's this menu just here. When you open that up, then what you can do is, let's just type WhatsApp again. You can right click on WhatsApp just under there, up there, and left click on pin to start. And then what we can do is we can then click on that, and hopefully we should find that on the start menu. Might have to go to the next page. There we go. But if we want, we can move our mouse over it, hold down the left mouse button and drag it up to somewhere a little bit more convenient. There you go. So I've popped it there, and that again works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So there you go. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget, stick around. I've got thousands of other videos covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully you'll find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some money. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit that like button. If you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like it, then don't forget to share this on your social media timelines. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you find out about all my latest videos the second they're released. Hit that subscribe button, then hit the bell, then hit all. You can also find me on Twitter at CWTech, and also find my website at cwtech.co.uk. Liking, sharing and subscribing really helps support this channel. Thank you very much.